Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about India site. Okay. In this section, we will discuss about site of India and positions of the India in the world according to site. Okay. India located in the southern part of Asian continent. Okay. And according to site, India stands seventh positions in the world. Okay, you can see in the graph, like after first position is Russia, then Canada, then USA, and then China, and then Brazil, and then Australia, and seventh positions is India. Okay, and India, northern part of India, mainly covered by the Himalayan mountain region and northeastern part of India, and in the southern part of India, there are two major seas. Okay, Indian Ocean divided into two major parts. Eastern part, also known as Bay of Bengal, which is located in the southeastern part of India, and southwestern part of India, part of Bay Indian Oceans, also known as Arabian Sea. Okay, and India, a large country, it has large mainland along with island groups of island like Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which is located in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep, which is located in the Arabian Sea. Okay, but Indian extension, we can find from west to east and from north to south. North to south extensions are large. Okay, then east to west extension is according to map. You can see here from east to west extensions is 2,933 kilometer extensions. Okay, but from north to south extensions is 3,214 kilometer. Okay, obviously from north to south extension is large. Yes, extensions is large. Okay, then east to west extension, and southeastern part of India, Bay of Bengal, and southwestern part of India, Arabian Sea located. Okay, so located. Uh, so we can understand, according to the topic India side, the landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Okay, total geographical area of the world. From the figure 1, it is clear that India is the seventh largest country of the world. Seventh largest country of the world. That means first positions like Russia, second Canada, third USA, fourth China, fifth Brazil, sixth Australia, and seventh positions is seventh position secure in secure India. Okay, largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometer, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,560.6 kilometer. Okay. Next, India is bounded by the Yangful Mountain. Yes, bounded by Yangful Mountain, Himalayan mountain range. Uh, in the northeast, south about 20-degree north latitude, it begins the two tapers and extends towards the Indian Oceans, dividing into the two seas, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Okay, so in this section, one of the most important questions, maximum times asked again and again for annual examinations and final examinations. Questions is, name the countries which are larger than India. Okay, I repeat my questions. Name the countries which are larger than India. Obviously, larger than India countries names are mainly Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia. Okay, these countries are the larger than India. Okay, so I think you have got sufficient knowledge about it. Thank you.